You guys were telling me I cleaned off this, to push it in all the way and pull it out just a tiny bit, so I'm gonna try that. Where do you guys want to go?
To Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, for a quick Chuck E. Cheese stint? Huggies. What?
In case it wants me to go on a ride with him.
Ride?
It's called the bus.
What? Okay, let's hit Chuck E. Cheese. So before I get this load delivered to the T-Dubs, to the Chuck E. Cheeses.
To the Chuck E. Cheeses. To the Chuck E. Cheeses.
We got here at 11 a.m. and there's already like a line of kids waiting to get in. So we're gonna wait our turn, get our cards. And hey, sorry about the phone. The new one's coming tomorrow.
Yeah, we talked to Latasha.
Latasha, thank you for getting me a new phone. So hopefully it'll be here. Hopefully I can load back tomorrow.
You'll
It'll
get
be
one.
here tomorrow. Right now, let's get in here.
He loves it. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Play more coins, please.
Why are you doing it?
You made one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey! I think we ended up with like 1,100 tickets. Got all kinds of worthless candy. Time to get back to work. Let's get to the truck. Bye-bye, babies. Bye, T-Dubs. Man, it is a pretty day. It feels like we're at the beach. Gotta get in there and see about that refrigerator switch, turn that off. And I don't think I have a battery switch. Let's go check it out. So a lot of you guys were saying, yeah, no battery switch on the Packars. But you said there was a fridge button that I can turn it off. So let's see what we got back here. That was still open. Let's close that. But the fridge itself, I can get it open. It's frigid. It's cold. What's that do? Ice tree or something? So let's turn you off because you are draining our batteries. There you go. Refridge off. All right, cool. Hopefully that helps it not drain the batteries. We're still gonna fire it up. Still gotta put these headlights in too. Thanks so much, Mike. And our drain plugs. Awesome. There we go. Tired of seeing that ABS light also, so I went ahead and tried to mess with the wheel sensor. Oh yeah, it's a whole different part. You guys were telling me I cleaned off this, to push it in all the way and pull it out just a tiny bit, so I'm gonna try that. But it also seems like this does not disconnect right here. So I followed the wire back. It goes in the brake chamber under here, and it's back and forth here, and the connector's right here. So I pushed all the connections together, see if those might be a problem too. But it looks like the connector, you have to buy it all in one with that line, so not the right part number, even though that's what it said. Maybe that's for a 680 or something, not a Packard. Our shoes are pretty good too. Good brakes. Looks like they did the chambers. Can't wait to get this girl going. So I pushed it all the way in, pulled it back a smidge. Let's see if that does anything for us. ABS is still on. Seats. Speaking of, I should call that guy right now. Say, hey man, if you can't get the seats done, I'll just buy legacies. I just wanted to have those custom done, but I guess not. That sensor actually looks different from the connector. See that one? That might be the factory one. It still has the. You should get a part number off that one. Just buy 2 of them. I'm gonna stop off and fuel up. Exit 21. There's 4th gear. My new phone should be here tomorrow. It's pretty quick. I didn't realize they did it so quick. So we should have no more glare on the screen. Nice clean camera again until I run over it again with the golf cart. I need to get like a little holder in my golf cart for it. And if anybody knows part numbers for those ABS sensors, let me know. I'm sure I can find them. I just call the dealer, but the last 6 of my VIN are 299406 on that KW. So I need to probably just replace both sides when I'm doing them. They're not hard at all to get out. I thought they were going to be hard. You just barely prime out and they pop right out. So get that ABS light off and then see what other fun lights show up over time. What's going on? LT, I think this is LT Heart. I'm not sure. A little over a quarter tank, but we're gonna top her off because I don't know from Atlanta if I'm gonna get anything tonight. Probably not, because that drop at 6:30. But if I do get something in Florida, something picks up late, I want my tanks to be full. Checked our oil, checked our filters. Added some Lucas, and this truck right here, he's got like wheat mud flaps. It smells like cornflakes. Like this, it smells like maybe like hops for beer or corn. It really smells like cornflakes. I don't know what's in there, but it's something with some wheat, some grain. Nice truck too. Okay, let's get those tanks filling up. Refresh. Maybe get some egg rolls. I'm a little hungry, but not real hungry. And then get over to Atlanta traffic. Can't wait. There's that beautiful Lake Hartwell. Oh man, 84 degrees out here. Coming into Georgia. That's nice. I like to always keep track of the boats that I pass that are in the slips. I don't know if they're, most of the boats that are up in the air on the lifts, they're the residents, they're not like the rental property boat, but maybe sometimes they're, but there's a new yellow Supra over there to the right, nice boat. Still looking at boats, but man, they're expensive, just too much. Then my front left blinker is out, that's why it's blinking so fast. I was thinking about getting them right back there inside QT, but I forgot. I was gonna get another phone magnet holder too for the golf cart, so my phone doesn't fly off the cup holders and run over it like I did. That's why there's this line right here on the phone. But that new phone should come tomorrow. And that poor Cherokee is getting weighted down there, pulling that trailer, doing its best. Yeah, we actually are going to be blessed to go ahead and get a little lake time in, not this weekend, but the weekend after. We got a little cabin we rented again, and should be fun. Maybe my brother might be able to come out. And we actually rented a boat too, so that should be awesome. And it's one of those $200,000 boats, so maybe T-Dubs will get her first taste of what a Super Aeronautique is like. G23 Paragon, nice boat. Right now, let's focus on how quickly we can get to Atlanta traffic. About 1:30 right now, I think. Yep. Yeah, no, 2 o'clock, sorry. So we're gonna hit crunch time traffic, but we're expecting it. Let's get there. See if we got any other boats out here. A couple fish boats, couple runabouts. Welcome to Georgia. Should be getting the weigh station in a second. About 4 miles up here. He is going around all of his straps, checking them all. Sure, it is tightened down. Atlanta said, go ahead. So we're out of here. We're doing some big checks though in the 3 o'clock in Atlanta. Hope that guy's okay. T's and P's for the couple of booms that he's got tied down there. And welcome to Atlanta, where we don't play and the sun comes out like every day. Hot Atlanta. It's 93 degrees, a little bit spicy. We've got the interchange for the, what's it, 285, I think they call it. We're gonna go up around the northwestern side of Atlanta and come out on the other side towards Magic Mountain. But it's gonna take us a while to go there. Good thing we got some time. Our first mishap of the day, they said there's debris in the road, so what do we got? It's like we got somebody just decided to let go of some of their furniture. Got a mattress, couch, futon. There we go. Secure your loads, guys. Laundry basket. Yeah, secure your loads, please. It cleared up a little bit on the top of, that's a nice W9 right there, the white one with the blue with the white stripes. Real nice. 86-inch sleeper. Anyways, cleared up at the top of the 285, but now that we're going back down to the 20 junction, it is not so great. But we'll stick with it. Look at those clouds. Those clouds are pretty sweet. Rained a little bit coming through, but just humid right now and 92 degrees it shows on my readout. Get to the 20 and then we're almost there. Doesn't help very much when we got I think we got a wreck. Oh, maybe we got a car fire. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, four police for one car. I don't know. T's and P's for that guy. Hope they can get that cleared up because it's rush hour. Exit 24, where that Honda Accord just hit the shoulder to miss rear-ending that SUV in front of it. University of West Georgia. I've been here, I think 3 times, 2 times, maybe 3 times. Got a little rain, but it's kind of back behind a couple other businesses and small quarters for a Walmart distribution center, but they're pretty quick once they get you in there. And don't ever go early. I tried to deliver a load like earlier in the day one time. Not happening. They did not touch you till the appointment time, so maybe that'll change over time, but as of the last time I was here, which I think was maybe 6 months ago, I don't know how long ago it was, they did not take you early. And I think there's like a McDonald's or some kind of fast food restaurant right on this left side that has parking for like 6 trucks if you need to reset your hours. We will see. We finally got it through the traffic. A couple of little police stoppings, and here we are. 2 miles to the right. Yeah, so it's in Hardee's over there on the left. That's who has the parking. Looks like they're actually digging up another, or maybe they just demolished the other building because there was like another restaurant, but there is parking for trucks, like 4 or 5 trucks over there. And there's a racetrack. We go through this light and then there's a left turn to pass the railroad tracks. And it kind of snakes back into the Walmart. Here are said railroad tracks. A little bumpy. Not too bad, not the worst ever, but definitely top 10. Take those slow. And then here's our left. I gotta get a new bulb for this turn signal. I've delivered molasses here one time at that Sugar Foods place right there. That was pretty quick to unload. Saddle Creek Logistics, also known as Walmart. Well, they do a lot of the stuff for Walmart. There you go, Ultima. Pass it up. In a rush. Get. Or Maxima. That wasn't Ultima, that was Maxima. Saddle Creek. 140 Fleet Drive. If you just hit the GPS on the thing, it takes you back to like the, there's a big wire company for flatbeds. But you come down the road next to it and come all the way to the end. Let's see, do I just wait for this guy? It's changed up a bit, it wasn't like this before. So that yard jockey said, hey, pull all the way down. I said, all right. Let's go. Bring our bills. Don't get hit in the face with water. And check in. How we doing?
Is that a plastic seal?
Yes, sir. A little red one.
Hold on, just hold on this right here.
Okay.
Did you understand this right here?
Yes, sir. I've been here a couple times before.
Okay. You're going to door 12, it's down there on the left. Let me come out there and get your seal.
Okay. All right, so slide down. So slide the tandems, disconnect. We got door 12. We're right on the money. We're like 25 minutes early, so got a door right away. Yeah. And that's it. We are disconnected. Thanks for stopping by with me again today. God bless you. We're waiting for the red light and then the green. And then we got plenty of clock left. We'll get past Atlanta at least. Get towards back home on the other side of Atlanta because we don't want to be being here tomorrow, if anything. So get some pool time tomorrow, get another load. God bless you. Check out JustTruckin.Shop, 97 OBS. Old body style Chevrolet with the LS1 in it. And see you tomorrow.